Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Jessica and I am an ADFer. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you three tips of what to do when you don't feel like fasting. And now I have been fasting for almost 3 months now. And for about 2 weeks, not so long ago, I went through a time where I just didn't feel like fasting. And it wasn't because I was hungry or I couldn't fast, I just lacked motivation to fast. Of course, I am still doing alternate day fasting, but I was only doing it out of habit. I've gotten in the habit of doing it and I was just doing it, but I just really wasn't feeling the motivation, the vibe. And so, if you've been doing alternate day fasting for a while, maybe you have gone through something similar, or maybe you're going through something similar. And if you are new to ADF, it's possible that at some point you will feel like that. So in this video, I'm sharing 3 tips of what to do when you just don't feel like fasting. Tip number 1, you want to go to your favorite YouTuber's channel. So my channel, if I'm one of your favorites. I'm doing alternate day fasting right now. I'm still on my journey. Colleen Marie, she has lost over 60 pounds with ADF. So go into YouTubers' accounts that have had success, watching videos about people who have had success with ADF will help to increase your motivation. Also, listening to podcasts about intermittent fasting, alternative fasting, people like Dr. Jason Fung or Dr. Mindy Peltz are great sources of inspiration that can really help you to get back that motivation and drive for fasting. So, tip number 2 is to go a step further. So, what if you've watched a lot of videos and you're still not feeling it? Well, I don't know about you guys, but I am a sciencey person. Like, my degree is in chemistry, so I do love the sciences. And so I've decided to buy books on fasting. Like, why not? Like, invest a little bit and learn even more about fasting. So I have gone ahead and I have bought this book, Feast, Fast, Repeat by Jane Stevens, and it's quite famous in the fasting community. So this is my first fasting book. Yeah, me. And honestly, I love this book. Like, it has given me so much insight into the whole science and reason for fasting, some of which I already knew, but just reading it and hearing other people's opinions and Jin's own experience has really put that fire in me again for fasting. And so, if you're interested in getting this book, I will leave a link in the description below where you can get this book. I highly recommend it. I'm not finished, like I just like started, but it's so good. And even if you are an advanced faster like myself, I would still recommend that you get this book if you haven't done so as yet. And the final tip I would like to leave with you, and this is probably the most important one, you need to remember your why. And I hope you have a strong why for why you're doing alternate day fasting. Is it to lose weight and become the best version of yourself, confident, and just put yourself out there in a different type of way? Is it for health purposes? Are you battling some health issues that you're trying to heal through fasting? Is it to get a revenge body? Whatever your why is, I hope that it is really strong, because in moments like this, in moments where you lack the motivation to fast, that the strong why is what will get you through those hard moments where mentally you're just not feeling it. So if you haven't had a strong why, I would highly suggest that you think about it. And if you already have it, then that will be your fighting tool to keep on doing ADF for the long haul. Think about your why. For me personally, my why is I want my outside to match how I've always seen myself on the inside. I want to look in the mirror and have that reflection of me be the one that I always imagine. As I told you guys on this channel, my goal is to get into the 120s, and no matter what, I am going to get there. So, this is not my first weight loss journey. In my first journey, I lost 20 pounds and I stopped at 138. And so this time I decided that I'm going all the way, all the way. And so that is very strong for me and very personal for me. So that keeps me going even in moments when I don't feel like fasting. Like, I remember that, like, in the back of my mind, I have that there. So it's just like, I may not feel like it, but I'm gonna do it anyway. It's like I get up at 5 to go to work every day. I don't feel like it, but I do it anyway. And this is no different. On days when I don't feel like it, I'm still gonna do it anyway. So make sure you have a really strong why. If you have any additional tips, I would love to hear about it in the comment section. So go ahead and leave a comment. And those are my three tips for you today. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel because it helps me so much. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.